Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove text in Canva quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're editing a design, creating social media graphics, or just cleaning up an image, this method will save you tons of time. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to erase unwanted text like a pro. So stick around. Open your Canva project. First things first, open your Canva project. Click on the image that contains the text you want to remove. This is important because selecting the image unlocks all the editing tools you'll need. Once your image is selected, you're ready to move on to the next step. Access the Magic Eraser tool. Next, click the Edit button on the toolbar to enter Canva's detailed editing interface. Here, you'll find the Magic Eraser tool, which is perfect for removing any unwanted text from your image. The Magic Eraser works intelligently to remove the text while keeping the background intact, so your design stays clean and professional. Erase the text. Now comes the fun part. Hover your cursor over the text you want to remove and highlight it. Once everything is selected, simply click Erase. Canva will instantly remove the text, blending the area seamlessly with the rest of your image. You can adjust your selection for precision if needed, ensuring your final design looks flawless. Remember, Canva's tools are designed to make editing quick and precise. Take your time to explore the different options in the Magic Eraser. It's a powerful tool that can help you create professional-looking designs in minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other design guides for Canva. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tip or trick. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.